First Progress secured cards are built around one simple idea. You put down a refundable deposit, and that deposit becomes your credit limit while your activity gets reported to the credit bureaus. By the end, you'll know if this card is actually worth it, what it's best used for, and when it makes more sense to choose a different secured card instead. Start with how it works. You apply for the card, and if approved, you place a security deposit. That deposit is what protects the issuer and sets your spending limit. Every month, your balance and payments are reported to the credit bureaus, which is what helps build or rebuild your credit profile over time. This card is mainly designed for one group of people: users with little to no credit history, or people rebuilding after credit damage. It's not meant for rewards or perks. The entire purpose is credit reporting and payment history. Now, look at the main advantage. First Progress is known for being accessible compared to many traditional credit cards. That makes it a common option for people who have been denied elsewhere and just need a way to start building credit activity that shows up on their credit report. But here's where the trade-off shows up. This type of card is very basic. There are usually no rewards, no major perks, and limited extra features. That means your progress depends entirely on how you use it. On-time payments and low balances are what drive credit improvement, not card benefits. Another important detail is cost structure. With secured cards like this, fees and terms can vary depending on the specific version you're approved for. That's why reading the full terms before applying matters more here than with mainstream cards. Now compare it to what people usually expect. Some secured cards try to help you graduate into unsecured cards, or add rewards to keep you engaged. First Progress is more focused on the entry step only. It helps you get into the credit system, but it doesn't try to do much beyond that. So the decision comes down to your goal. If you've been denied elsewhere, and just need a straightforward way to start building credit history, this type of card can serve that purpose. If you want rewards, perks, or a clear upgrade path, other secured cards may feel more complete. Quick recap. First Progress is simple, deposit-based, and focused on credit reporting. It's accessible, but it's also minimal in features. Next step is simple. Only consider it if your main goal is getting credit activity started as quickly as possible, not maximizing benefits or rewards. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clear credit card breakdowns without the confusion.